Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to invest in Titan with least gas fee. As we all know, Ethereum charges a lot in gas fee, around $10. But today I'm going to show you how we can do that with least around 11 cents in gas fee. So what all do you need is a Binance account and a wallet, MetaMask or Trust Wallet. I personally use MetaMask, so I recommend it. So first you need to download the wallet from here. As soon as you download it, it will be added as an extension. After that, open it, then create your wallet. As I've already created, I'll go to the next step. So after creating the wallet, just expand it, then go to the settings. Yeah, you have to click custom RPC, then new network. I have already added Binance Smart Chain, so just you need to fill up these details into the custom RPC, then click save. Then head over to Binance and you need to purchase BNB around six to $7 of BNB. It's your wish, you can invest any amount, but minimum amount is $6. Then go to the fiat and spot, withdraw BNB, then go to your MetaMask wallet, copy the address, then paste it here, and make sure the network is Binance Smart Chain BEP20. Make sure it's Binance Smart Chain. Then hit max, and it will be withdrawn to the account MetaMask wallet. Then it will be shown here. After withdrawing, you need to leave at least zero point 0.1 or zero point 0.2 BNB for gas fee. It's all up to you, but minimum amount is zero point 0.1. I recommend zero point 0.1. From there, you need to add one more network, that is Matic mainnet. You need to fill up these details into the new network. After that, click save. Then head over to Pancake Swap. Just hold a minute. Then click go to exchange. Then you need to exchange your BNB to USDC. Leave around zero point 0.1 BNB, and rest you can exchange it to USDC. After that, you need to go to Matic. You need to search for Matic faucet, just like this one. And what this does is it provides you with a little amount of Matic so that you can perform a few transactions. So you need to copy your address and paste it here, but make sure you have added Matic network, this one. After that, as soon as you click submit, a little amount of Matic will be uh, it will be deposited to your account. After that, move to X pollinate. We need a bridging system which can bridge our assets from Binance Smart Chain to Matic, as Titan is present in Matic network. So you need to connect this network and make sure your current network is set to Binance Smart Chain before bridging your assets from main Smart Chain to Matic mainnet. As soon as here it should show Binance Smart Chain. As soon as you have connected, select Binance Smart Chain on the left hand side, and Matic on the right hand side. Then select your asset, that is USDC, and click on swap. As soon as you'll click on swap, it might take from 5 to 15 minutes for your assets to be transferred from Binance Smart Chain to Matic mainnet. As soon as it is transferred, it won't show it here, because you need to add the network. So what you're gonna do is go to Polygon scan, then search for USDC. This one, USDC coin. It should show around $1. Then copy the contract address. Go to your MetaMask wallet. In Matic mainnet, scroll down, then click on Add Token and paste the contract address. As I've already added the coin, that's why it's not showing up the coin. Look, it's already there. So after that, you need to head over to DFYN. It's a decentralized exchange where you can exchange your assets in Polygon network. You need to select USDC on the uh, upper side and Matic on the lower side. You'll be having only a few amount of Matic, so initially you need to exchange your a small amount of USDC to Matic. I always keep at least 2 Matic for gas fee. Then after exchanging it, you need to click on swap here. Just hold on a second. It's taking a little more time than usual. Yeah, there you go. You need to click on swap, confirm swap. Then you'll get a pop-up over here like this. Then you need to hit confirm. As I'm already having Matic, I won't be converting anymore, so I'll just reject it. You need to confirm it. As soon as you'll confirm it, your Matic will be shown over here and in the wallet as well, like this. Then you'll be left out with the remaining USDC, which you can exchange it for Titan. Enter the amount of USDC that you want to exchange, that you want to invest in Titan. Then click on hit swap, confirm swap, and then confirm. As I'm already having Titan, I won't be investing anymore in that for now. And there you go, my friend. You are officially a Titan holder. Thanks for watching this video.